Hi guys, it's B. Bro, what in the world is it's me, EP. I'm back with another no, this is my first one. Yay! It's my first one ever, and the reason why I'm doing this is just one thing. Just one thing, okay? I'm gonna show you this in a moment. 3, 2, 1. Content creation. Yes, yeah, you heard it right. Content creation. And what's my goal? You know what's my goal? As in... Yep, you heard that right. The A badge. Oh, as known as the Noviaxian badge. Well, let's just get there. Well, that's my introduction video. Bye. See ya. See you in the next video. By the way, I'm gonna make a video today on this, I guess. Subscribe.